What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video, and on this video it is going to be a trade recap on today's trade. I took another L for about $75, reason being why I was going for buys on gold. But yeah, let's go ahead and get right into this trade recap and we'll see what happens. Alright boys, so let's go ahead and get started. So today on gold we decided to take buys, and the reason being was, I know, look at the EMAs, we are going counter trend. That's why I decided to lower my risk. But the reason why being is that we filled in this gap from Tuesday, and when was it, on the 1 hour? It was on the 4 hour. So you guys can see we had a push to the upside, breaking structure, and as well as we wanted a retracement back to the downside, which we did have that during Asia session, and now we were looking for a push back up, right? So during London and New York, we were pushing down still, and then we started consolidating right here. If you go on the 15-minute, we were consolidating for all of through London session. Even through on the 5-minute, we were just consolidating. So the reason why I took this trade, I took two trades today. I ended up losing one, and I ended up being break even on the second one, which was really kind of dumb of me because I should have taken profits, would have made money and a couple dollars more, but still I would have ended up the day green. But right here, it is going to be the trade. So as you guys can see here, this was around 8. So it was right here. So the first trade was at 7. When was that? It was at 7:05. I did not take this trade, but as you guys can see, we had a strong momentum candle to the upside, breaking the EMAs. I joined pretty late, right? I joined around 7:40, right? So I joined around, let's say right here. Entered right there. Stop loss was down here. We were consolidating still, but I decided to join just because we were keeping consolidation on the EMAs, the 13 and the 50. So I was like, okay, we might get it pushed back to the upside. Got stopped out, re-entered the trade again, but I re-entered this on the 1-minute. So as you guys can see here, we did break the 13 and the 15 and the 200 by one candle in the 1-minute. Decided to enter right there. Stop loss below right here. Let me delete this just so you guys can see. And then take profit was going to be a 1 or 2. Alright, so we were up in profit. As you guys can see, we did hit the 1 or 2. But the reason why I did not get out was just because I wanted to bank more, and I also wanted to take this high out, which I ended up moving my stops to break even. And then as you guys can see, we got break even and we didn't even take out the high. So I mean, we did hit the 1 or 2, and then afterwards it just went back up, took out the highs, and we just dumped again. But the reason why we took this just because of the higher time frame market structure, right? We're creating I thought we were going to create higher highs and higher lows, just because we had a break of structure back to the upside. We were consolidating between the 13 and the 50. I basically, technically, I should have won the second trade instead of being break even, but it is what it is. Ended the day red. I did lower my risk just because it was counter trend. But yeah, it is what it is. We have Friday, Monday, and Tuesday. Most likely gonna be a red month, but last month was green, and then January was a break even. So it's been a pretty rough start to the year. We still got the whole rest of the year, but yeah, boys. Yeah, it was just very unfortunate about today's trade that ended up making me lose or be break even. The reason being was just because I wanted to take out that high, and we had a strong momentum counter to take out that high, but fortunately not. I just decided to go below and then just leave me break even. But it is what it is, and yeah, like I said, we were going counter trend, but the reason why was because we had a break of structure. When was it, last week, or when was it? On Tuesday, we had a break of structure, and then we had these gaps that we did fill in during Asia session. So I thought we were going to make a push to the upside during New York, but we were just consolidating. Trade wasn't horrible. It was just I guess I just hopped into the trade way too early. But yeah, other than that, I'll see you guys on the next one. I'll be live trading tomorrow. I'll record a live trading video. It's just my PC is really slow, so it's not really like the best PC, but I'll try my best just to live trade for you guys. But yeah, make sure you guys join the Discord. I'll be live trading tomorrow for free. And yeah, other than that, boys, make sure to join the Discord, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.
Se meten los de las capuchas, andan bien truchas, lo que en el radio se escucha. Güey, no pesa